Welcome to Shafa the Story World. Today I'm going to read Baby Bear Goes Fishing. Story by Beverley Randell. Illustrations by Isabel Lowe. Let's read the story with me. Father Bear and Baby Bear went down to the river. "Come here, fish," said Baby Bear. "The fish are not coming today," said Father Bear. Baby Bear went on fishing. "Look," shouted Baby Bear. "Fish! Fish! Look at my fish!" Father Bear and Baby Bear went home and with the fish. "Look at my fish," said Baby Bear. "I'm not too little to go fishing." "I'm not too little," said Baby Bear. This is the end of this story. If you like and want to hear more stories, please subscribe to our channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you.